Hey, what's going on, everybody? Good morning. Happy Monday. Welcome to the Morning Note. This is G.A.R Capital. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of G.A.R Capital. Welcome aboard. We do this every single morning, market hours, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we talk about the markets, answer your questions, and go from there. Let's see how many subscribers we have now. Trying to get to 4,000, obviously. That's the deal. So we can do a live trading session. Let me see where we're at currently. Channel. We are at 3,690 subs. So close to 4,000. Let's get to 4,000. We just need about 310 more. And make sure to subscribe. Bottom right hand corner is the button. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, like our videos. Really do appreciate it. Any kind of comments are always welcome, as always. All right, let's go ahead and talk the market, shall we? All right, Dow futures are up 12. We were red, kind of flat red for the week, for the night, overnight. Nasdaq is pushing, outperforming, up 46 points. Excuse me. S&P futures 3214 currently, pretty much flat. Russell 2000 index down slightly, 1466. The VIX 24 and a half. That 30 level is very key to me. That's the level I'm watching. Crude oil is down about 29 cents a barrel, still holding that 40 handle, down 0.71%. Bitcoin futures down slightly. Again, that 9,000 level is your support. Gold futures are up 0.45%, 18.18 an ounce. Silver finally breaking that 20 handle on the future side, up 1.62%. Very big level. 20 is on silver. If you are playing silver, you can always take a look at SLV. We'll take a look at that here in a bit. Also, 10-year notes, bonds. Let me go and get that info for you. 10-year bonds. I can bring this up. Down about 23 basis points at 60.6050. So a little bit of bond buying coming on here. A little bit of bond. That's a good sign. You want bond yields. Actually, you want bond yields to go higher. I apologize, but bond yields going down, meaning that you're getting some demand for bonds. Also, dollar yen up slightly, 107.15 currently for my forex people. Dollar index is up slightly, 95.97, and gasoline futures down about nearly 1% at 121. All right, so a couple things I want to go ahead and discuss here. We had some vaccine headlines. Pfizer, so I'll go and read it to you. Pfizer, BioNTech, early positive update from COVID phase 1/2 COVID-19. Pfizer BNT162b1 induced antibodies had broadly neutralizing effect activity in pseudovirus neutralization assays across panel of 16 SARS-CoV-2 RBD variants. Basically, the vaccine headlines are the new trade deal headlines. That's where we are. BFE is up pre-market at 37.70 now. It is up pre-market. So you can take a look at Pfizer and see if we can go there. It looks pretty good here on the hourly for a breakout. Let me bring up the daily. It is testing, or actually broke above the 200. Start taking a look at the 38 calls, maybe, or the 38.50s, maybe the 39s would be a play. That'd be very interesting to see if you can go ahead and take a look at Pfizer. So PFE 39s or 38 and a halves for some calls. I'll be watching that today. Next one here. I had another headline here. Talked about silver. I'll take a look at that. Some updates. Okay, NKLA. I'm going to go ahead and read that to you here in a second. Amazon price target raised to 3,800 from 3,000 at Goldman, and price target raised 3,800 from 3,100 at Jefferies. 3,800 is now the street price, the high of the Wall Street here. Amazon now is at 3,004 currently. The high was 33.44. I always say it's a buy. I do own shares. The S&P is positioned for an upside breakout. We've been saying that according to Bank of America Securities. We've been saying that we're going to get a breakout. Again, 32.35 on E-mini futures is the level you want to see. So if you want to go and place an alert there on E-mini futures, that's what you want to see. Google price target raised to 1850 from 1600 at Credit Suisse. Facebook price target raised 305 from 258 at Credit Suisse. And JPM downgrades Moderna mRNA from overweight to neutral. This is not a call on diminished expectations around the company or their COVID-19 candidate vaccine. It's a valuation call. Shares are up 385% year to date, mRNA, and up 572% over the last 12 months. So it is just too high, too fast for Moderna. Again, I've said it before. If you want to play the vaccine for COVID, you want to buy IBB, which is the biotech ETF. Halliburton also released earnings EPS of negative $1.91. Estimate was negative, down 11 cents. Operating income 236 million. Estimated was 32 million, excuse me, and revenue of 32 billion. Estimated revenue of 3.3 billion. So just missed across the board, and they are down pre-market. When it comes to energy, guys, the only names I've been telling you to own or ones I recommend are Chevron and Exxon. The only ones I recommend. Chevron is also acquiring Noble Energy in an all-stock transaction valued at $5 billion. Got another price upgrade here. Chipotle, CMG, they report on Wednesday. Chipotle price target raised to 11.25 from 7.83 at RBC Capital. Keeps sector perform rating. And also Nikola and KLA shares down 17.7% after company files for stock sale offering. They're going to offer more shares, and that will dilute current shareholder because more supply will be out there. So again, NKLA, I've been saying it. I'd rather you not own that name. I mean, it's really up to you what you want to own. But NKLA, I'd rather just own Tesla if that's the case. You're better bet. And Peloton target raise PTON 84 from 66 at Goldman Sachs. They were price target upgrade. So good stuff. So Amazon looking really good. If you want to take a look at NKLA, bottom left hand of your screen, it is breaking down. And again, I've been saying it, stay away from this name. I don't like it for you. I would prefer Tesla instead. They'll report earnings on Wednesday. We'll talk about that on Wednesday. So hold off to Tesla questions. Okay, I should be connected. All right. Sorry about that. I had a connection issue. I hope you guys can still hear me. Okay, we're back on it. We're back reconnected. Oh, so BABA again. The high price all-time high was 270. In order to play Alibaba, you need to break 263.31. They are up pre-market. I will keep my eye on BABA, but we need 263.31. Let's see here. Good morning, Apple. Rokane is asking about Apple. Let's go ahead and bring that up. Apple reports in August. You've just seen basically the last couple of days has just been treading water. Again, you want to go ahead and break 390 before you do anything there on Apple. Amazon calls for earnings. Amazon doesn't report, I believe, until next week, so I would not touch it right now. It's an expensive name, but again, if you want to own it, definitely go for it. Fiscal call, long queue on JD. JD, I'm not going to own. I'd rather own Alibaba and Tesco. Tractor Supply, again, looking very nice here. I would say if you want to go ahead and play some calls, 143.97 is your high. I would wait for that break. What about EBD futures? Anyone could chat for me. I don't know what EBD futures. What does overweight neutral mean? Overweight just means buy, meaning a higher price target. Neutral means just a hold, and underweight means sell on the analyst calls. MSFT run up into earnings. I mean, we could. Let's take a look at it. We're at 205.15, right at the 50. I mean, I would still like that break of 207.73. I think we get to 210, but 207.73 on Microsoft is the 100-day moving average. I'd rather just not play it ahead of the earnings. Again, if we start getting some movement to the upside for 207.73, sure. If it breaks below 200, then puts are in play. Space we played last week, 23.27. It is down about 60 cents. Does like to move. I still think 25 this week is in play. And you're very welcome, Roy King. Very welcome. Take a look at Twitter too. Twitter is something I've been watching. 36.17 is my target for a breakout, and they do report on Thursday, I believe. So keep an eye on Twitter. Twitter's a good one. But Pfizer is definitely on my watch list today. I like Pfizer here, especially with that report. So let's see if we get the continuation to the upside. I really don't play a lot of Pfizer. I do own the stock, but again, a nice break, maybe 38.50s, 37.63 here. Let's see if we get that continuation to the upside. But right now, it looks like Nasdaq is leading the way. Thoughts? Okay, so apologize. My internet connection is kind of spotty today. Chegg, I've never traded them, never heard of them. I would say if I'm playing just a chart, 78 is your level to break. Uh, AstraZeneca View, again, another one with those headlines. I'd rather play here when it comes to the headline or vaccine. I'd rather take a look at Pfizer. I mean, yeah, I've heard of AstraZeneca, Moderna, Pfizer. Pick your poison. They're all there. That's why I say IBB. Twilio, it was good last Friday. Fabian's asking. Twilio. Let me see if I can bring it up here. Never really played Twilio before, but again, 247.50 is your high. It is breaking above the 100, but I want to see that break of 247.50 before we do anything there on Twilio. I apologize for the spotty Wi-Fi today. It's really strange. I don't know what's going on. So here we go. So I am watching Pfizer, I am watching Twitter, and I am watching Microsoft. Let's see what we get. We get some continuation to the upside here. So again, 32.35 on ES, E-mini futures. That's your level. That's what I want to see. And one last piece that I want to see is SLV. Take a look at SLV. Silver breaking out. Looks very interesting. So again, it's like GLD. Maybe take a look at the 18.5 for SLV. Could be a play. Bottom left-hand corner. Silver futures did break 20. Very interesting. So PayPal about 2 weeks ago. Should I wait for another pullback to re-enter? No, I own PayPal and I don't plan on selling it anytime soon. It's right at 200. Um, right here, remember they do have earnings, I believe, next week. So maybe wait for that earnings report before you reload. All right, we'll go ahead and leave it there. Have a great rest of your morning. Make sure, if you haven't already, subscribe, like our videos. Really do appreciate it. Turn on notifications. We're trying to get to 4,000 follow subs. Once we get there, we can do a live trading session with me. We're at 3,690. Let's go ahead and get that push to 4,000. Have a great rest of your day, guys. We'll catch you guys tomorrow for the morning note. Happy Monday. Happy new week. Let's rock it.